should be. Of course, the technological advances are good, and I think the issue of expanding the territory is also excellent. And I think I'm finding that the easiest way to get a statutory instrument is to use the budget. I think we have been mandated to look as a council for ways of raising revenue. And one of the ways of raising revenue is to increase the parking bays. And it should be easier for us to make that as a proposal for our next year's budget, that we are going to increase the parking bays from the current number to this number and identify the territories that we want to exist, and see, of course, our legal people will advise us, but and see if we cannot push that in the next budget, and because the budget itself comes out as a statutory instrument, and so if it comes out as a statutory instrument, once approved, it is easier to get some of the things inside our budget. We've certainly been able to get in the streetlights levy. We've been able to get in the the water levy, and the emergency services levy. So those are levies that we've been able to get through in terms of our current budget. So I think we should be able to do that, to increase the revenue base, as opposed to just be fixated in increasing the percentage, so that our imagination does not then end up being cannibalism, in the sense that if you keep eating your own flesh, at the end of the day, you might end up remaining with a skeleton, which might not be an ideal situation. I think revenue can be expanded, but it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to expand the revenue by just increasing your percentage. Sometimes you'll end up running on a treadmill. So I think let's be robust in terms of that approach.